If your homemade bread isn't turning out soft, fluffy, and perfectly crusty, you may be making this mistake. I made as a beginner. In this video, I'm sharing 10 essential bread baking tips that will instantly improve your loaves, from yeast handling to kneading, rising, streaming, and cooling. At the end of this video, you will know how to choose the right yeast, when to use a dough enhancer, how to measure flour correctly, why you should never use hot water, the secret to good kneading, how to create the perfect rising environment, why preheating your oven is a non-negotiable, how steam creates a perfect crust, why patience makes better bread. If you stick till the end, you will be offered a bonus tip. Whether you're a beginner baker or looking to level up your homemade bread, these tips will transform your results. 1. Keep the yeast and salt separate. 2. Never use hot water to mix the yeast or the flour. 3. Use dough enhancer. 4. Be flexible with the flour amounts. 5. Measure flour correctly. 6. Always use fresh ingredients. 7. Use oil instead of flour for kneading. 8. Create the perfect rising environment. 9. Add steam for a crispy crust. 10. Don't rush the process, preheat the oven. Here goes the bonus for those who stay until the end. 11. Score your dough before baking. 'Still you're brilliant. Plus tip: let your bread cool for a couple of minutes before slicing. Enjoy! Stay tuned, the real magic happens in the next one.